I'm going to show you a super common mistake people make when setting up DNS records in Squarespace and how to fix it in seconds. Imagine this. You've signed up for a service like Braze to send emails. They give you a list of DNS records to add to your DNS manager to get up and running, and then you diligently copy and paste them into your Squarespace DNS manager. But then, nothing. They aren't verified. The reason is likely because Squarespace automatically appends your root domain to the end of the host or name field of your DNS records. So if Braze gives you a record that looks something like this, and then you paste the entire thing into the host field in Squarespace, you're actually creating a record for this. See the problem? The domain is listed twice. This is a simple but incredibly common error. I've personally seen this exact issue with at least 5 of my past Braze clients who are using Squarespace. When I see that no DNS record is appearing for their subdomains, my first question is always, what DNS manager are you using? So when you get your DNS records, you only need to copy the part before the root domain for all the records that you receive. So it would just be alerts in this example. And now I'm going to verify this with MX Toolbox, which is a great tool to check your DNS records and see what record is appearing for free. Using it to check the DNS records, we see there's an A record present now. Thanks for watching, and if you need an email or Braze expert in your corner, subscribe or contact Covalent to learn more about what we can do for your company.